Hello friends, welcome back. Today's topic is aromatherapy for weight loss. This is also one of the most frequent questions I get from my friends and other people when I meet. And please remember that when I say weight loss, then it means for those who have extra weight. If your weight is normal, then please do not torture your body by losing extra kilos. Weight loss is needed by people who have obesity. In obesity, the body stores extra fat and it leads to various conditions such as diabetes, poor blood circulation, heart disorders, shortened lifespan expectancy, etc. So let's start with the oils. We need 3 oils for weight loss, and number 1 is juniper berry essential oil. Juniper berry I have here. Please remember that it is juniper berry essential oil. I am not talking about juniper leaf or juniper needle. I am saying this because many times in market you will find juniper needle as juniper berry essential oil. So for this you have to buy from authentic oil supplier only. This is number 1 is juniper berry. Then number 2 is grapefruit essential oil. Again, please remember that it is grapefruit, not grape seed. So do not be confused with the names. Instead of grapefruit, you can also use lemon essential oil. Grapefruit I have lemon also. I will use both. Lemon is easily available. Grapefruit essential oil. Then number 3 is sweet fennel. I hope you know about this herb. It is widely used in cooking, making chai also. Not every chai. Perhaps you will not find fennel in Starbucks chai latte. And pickles also, and also as a mouth freshener. If you go to Indian restaurant, then after your meal they will give you fennel. If the restaurant is very good, they will give you best and big fennel. If restaurant is cheap restaurant, they will give you coated flavored fennel. Please avoid such fennel. Always better to have natural fennel seed. And they also give you jaggery. Okay, grape seed, and this is fennel. So we have 3 essential oil for weight loss. Let us talk about the properties of these. Why have I selected these 3 essential oils? Juniper berry. Juniper berry essential oil, it acts as a regulator. It is diuretic. It means this oil helps in passing of urine. It has cleansing effect on the body. Grapefruit essential oil helps to treat congested skin. It aids in digestion and relieves stress headaches also. Then sweet fennel, it also helps in digestion and it is anti-inflammatory, diuretic and decongestant. It helps in cellulite, fluid retention and wrinkles. Please avoid sweet fennel during pregnancy and epilepsy. Now, main question, we have 3 oil and how to use these 3 oils. First, let us talk about how to make the blend. I mean, in what ratio do you have to blend these oils? Please listen carefully. You can write it down, and if your memory is very sharp, there's no need to write. You can just listen and remember. So juniper berry we need 14 drops, and to make a blend I will use empty color dark glass bottle. So 14 drops 1/4 into here, then grapefruit 20 drops here, and sweet fennel I'll put 16 drops. Okay, so 14, 20, 16, total 50 drops, 50. I will repeat again. Juniper berry 14 drops, grapefruit or lemon we can use 20 drops, and sweet fennel 16 drops. Total we have 50 drops in my empty dark color glass bottle, and here you can write that blend for weight loss. as you know, we need some carrier oil also. This is carrier oil. I have other carrier oils also, and I will use jojoba. This is jojoba carrier oil. I told one of the previous videos also, this is, people call it jojoba also, people call it jojoba also, depends. It depends, you are speaking in English or Spanish, and depends in different settings. Yeah, so in 30 ml of jojoba, I put 12 to 14 drops of this blend into this. So this oil becomes my massage oil for weight loss, treatment oil. You can watch my previous videos to understand more about carrier oils, because you need to know, is jojoba only carrier oil, or do we have other carrier oils also? Now treatment oil is ready. It is always recommended taking a full body massage from a qualified therapist, and one time massage will not work. You need to take at least 7 days regular massage. It can be up to 21 days also, or on alternate days also. Please consult your Ayurveda and aromatherapist or massage therapist for a massage program and counsel on your progress regarding weight loss. And ask your Ayurveda or aromatherapist practitioner for a new balanced lifestyle, because only massage will not help. Yeah, only massage will not help. You need a very healthy diet also. Right food at right time with right combination of massage, it's important. It will help you. These will complement each other. It will help you to lose the weight. You can also add 8 to 10 drops. From which bottle? This or this? 8 to 10 drops. This one, not this. This is for massage. 8 to 10 drops from your blend to your bath and relax. So this was all about this was all about weight loss. I hope this video which I explained you, juniper berry, grapefruit, sweet fennel, it would be very helpful for you. You are always welcome to post any comment and suggestion. For more, please do not hesitate to email me at mysoorearomatherapy@gmail.com. Thank you. See you again.